I discovered how to turn my essential oils into a perfume. They all smell like something you'd find at a high-end boutique. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth, and I used to think perfume making was super complicated, but once I tried these recipes, I was hooked. All natural, no synthetics, and you can totally make it your own. We're recreating the vibe of high-end luxury perfumes using more mindful, wallet-friendly fragrance blends, including a completely essential oil-based version for those who prefer a more natural option. If you like Glacier, then you will love this recipe that we've called Cloud 9. Cloud 9 is a scent of comfort and quiet confidence. This clean floral woodsy blend feels like wrapping yourself in your favorite sweater after a fresh spring rain. You're gonna need 30 drops of Mountain Spruce Safer Fragrance Oil, and I got this from Simply Earth. We're going to add 10 drops of lavender to this, and we're gonna fill the rest of the way with Perfumer's alcohol, which is around 8 milliliters. So then you're gonna cap and shake well. Let your perfume cure for about 48 to 72 hours for the scent to fully develop. So once this has cured, you can spray it on your wrist or any pulse point that you'd like. This smells so good, so fresh. If you're looking for a more natural version, you can try using just essential oils. Just be aware that the scent will be lighter and may need to be reapplied more often. This is the standard perfume dilution rate rather than the common aromatherapy dilution rate. It's safe for application in a fine mist spray bottle, not in any other application. If you're familiar with the IFRA standards, it's within their acceptable ranges as well. So the ingredients for the all-natural version would be 20 drops of cedarwood, either Himalayan or Atlas, 10 drops of fir needle essential oil, also 10 drops of lavender 4042. And then to that, you're just gonna add 8 milliliters of Perfumer's alcohol. This next perfume is inspired by the cult favorite Baccarat Rouge 540. Radiant Glow is a soft, radiant perfume with a clean, floral, woodsy vibe. It's airy yet warm, and it wraps you in a subtle sweetness that lingers like sunshine on skin. Perfect for quiet confidence and everyday luxury. First, you're gonna add your safer fragrance to your perfume bottle. So we need 30 drops of saffron cedar. And I'm gonna add 10 drops of the Cedarwood Atlas essential oil. And then I'm gonna fill the rest of the way with Perfumer's alcohol. Give everything a shake to mix everything together. So after about 48 to 72 hours, the perfume has cured and you can go ahead and spray it. To me, this perfume smells very luxe, very citrusy and woodsy, even a little spicy. And now if you prefer an essential oil only version, you would need 8 drops of coalwood or rosewood, 6 drops of Lang Lang essential oil, 4 drops of frankincense or sandalwood, and 8 milliliters of Perfumer's alcohol. Next up is Desert Muse, inspired by the iconic Le Labo Santal 33. This earthy, smoky perfume is warm, grounded, and effortlessly cool. So I am going to add my 30 drops of my safer fragrance oil. I am going to add 30 drops of Palo Santo. And now I'm gonna add 10 drops of vetiver essential oil. Now you wanna swirl your oils together. Fill the rest of the way with Perfumer's alcohol. Now that it's cured, let's test it out. This to me smells very smoky, like I would almost give this to a very sophisticated older gentleman. I would love this scent in a candle myself. If you have any men in your life, this would be a great gift to give them. If you prefer an essential oil only version, this is what you will need. 8 milliliters of Perfumer's alcohol, 10 drops of vetiver essential oil, 10 drops of sandalwood essential oil, one of my favorites, 5 drops of cedarwood, 5 drops of cardamom essential oil. Our final recipe is called Golden Hour, inspired by the glow of a perfect sunset. Golden Hour is a creamy citrus-kissed perfume that feels like a vacation in a bottle, with notes of sweet vanilla and bright orange. It's sunshine for your senses anytime you need a lift. I'm going to add 30 drops of creme brulee safer fragrance oil into my perfume bottle, and I'm going to add 10 drops of blood orange essential oil. You want to swirl your oils together. And then add your Perfumer's alcohol. Then you want to give it a good shake. Now that it's here, let's test it out. This has a very sweet, citrusy smell. This is perfect for those of you that like sweet scents, sweet perfumes. This reminds me of like high school days. I would have definitely worn this back when I was a teenager. For any of you moms that have daughters in high school, maybe even middle school, I think this would be a great scent for them. If you prefer an essential oil only version, try this cheerful dessert inspired blend made entirely from essential oils. You will need 12 drops of blood orange essential oil, 10 drops of vanilla woods essential oil, 5 drops of Peru balsam essential oil, 3 drops of sandalwood essential oil, and 8 milliliters of Perfumer's alcohol. If you want to try this yourself, you can find everything you need at simplyearth.com. Try it yourself and let me know how it goes. And if you want more easy, fun, toxin-free DIY, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. See you guys in the next video.